Let's talk about Fly Lady. I like Fly Lady, I like the system, but you have to adapt it for yourself. So if every day you make your bed, you have to every day. It's not something that you can do once and have it done for the week. Unfortunately, daily. Swish and swipe, daily. Laundry, mostly daily. But how about decluttering for 15 minutes a day? I find that the hardest part is getting started. So if on the first of the month, the second of the month, whatever, if I declutter for longer than that, I give myself a break and I work ahead. I'm a keener. You know, like in school, that person that always read ahead, that did everything. When it comes to Fly Lady, and some things you can, I'm a keener. And I give myself credit for it. I'm being kind to myself, and that is what I'm doing. So here's a perfect example. I am in here, I am trying, I am getting my pictures and memorabilia under control, getting ready to move, getting rid of old stuff, blurry pictures, pictures of people that I don't even know who they are. Anyways, I am doing that. And I started to try to do it 15 minutes a day because I like that concept. I like the consistency of 15 minutes a day. But having said that, my biggest problem is getting started. It's so hard for me to get started. But then once I get started, I get the momentum going. So I can do it for 15 minutes a day, or I can do it for an hour and 3/4, an hour and 45 minutes, and then I get little ticks for the whole 7 days. And I love that. That's an example of how I can work ahead, feel good about myself, be kind to myself, get over that problem of getting started, that procrastination. Some things you have to do every day. I have to brush my teeth every day. I have to make my bed every day. But other things like this, work ahead. Be kind to yourself. Work for half an hour. Cross it off your list. Do it on your phone because Fly Lady has a fantastic app where you can just tick it off. Do it on a big wall calendar like I have. Just do it in your head, but be kind to yourself and know that you're covered for the whole week on things that you can do on days when you have time. Work ahead. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Do you do this? Are you kind to yourself? Are you giving yourself a break? Are you a keener? Do you work ahead when possible? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for following along as we declutter, minimalize, purge, get ready to move, get rid of the excess stuff so that I can breathe. Progress, not perfection. Thank you for watching.